Right, so it actually has been a very bad day for myself. Very undisciplined, didn't follow my rules at all. This has taught me that although there might be A+ setups before 9:45, which there actually wasn't today, but sometimes there is, I should just wait till 9:45 because if I did, we would have taken this one trade and would have been in profit overall. So the first two trades, I'm not even going to do a recap on them because they're rushed. There are such poor quality trades, unbelievable. It was so poor. One of the trades was here, I think, and I treated it as an order block. Where is my tools? Oh, there. I treated this as an order block. It was so stupid. Stop loss there and take profit right down here somewhere. Got stopped out straight away. It was so stupid. That was like the second trade. But the first trade, I can't remember what I did. I think it was ES. And oh yeah, that was it. I entered at this fair value gap targeting some lows here. That was such a poor trade as well. Because all this was just a manipulation. You can see it here. And that's what happens at 9:30, 9:45, like a strong manipulation happens. But the final trade, I'll do a trade recap because this was A+, A+. So, New York Open, we see we get a strong impulsive move down. We do sweep London session lows, daily previous New York lows. We haven't swept daily previous lows because that's all the way down here. But we swept a lot of lows. But I did think even pre-market that the draw on liquidity was lower, based on this daily SMT, which is a 4-hour SMT as well, and just the way price was acting. So I waited till on the 5-minute price into this 5-minute fair value gap. That's when on the 1 minute I'll look at price action. So once on the 5 minute we've entered like a bearish PDRA, what it's called, a bearish point of interest. I'll go to the 1 minute and we get a 1 minute market structure shift. Now this is where I was poor. I entered at a 2-minute breaker block, which it wasn't even a breaker block really. I had FOMO, so entered too early. If I entered at the actual breaker block, which it tapped into and rejected strongly off of, stop loss here, I could have made way more. Well, not way more, a little bit more. But yeah, so I entered, price shot down. I was very confident that we was going to go lower, although we did sweep the daily previous London lows, was because on the 3-minute we hit a 3-minute fair value gap while hitting a 1 minute order block. So we had two bearish conferences to show it was going down, which we did. I did initially target, I think it was like somewhere down here or here, but I thought, you know what, because it's massive shoot down, I ain't going to risk it, so I'll close it out here. I think it was here, yeah, which I did, close out there. Made back most of my profits, my losses, sorry, from, well, I made all my losses back from today, for sure. 37 plus 22.50, calculate that, because my calculations in my head is not that good. 37, sorry. 37 plus 22.50, £59.05, $59.50. So I made 59.5, $10.05 today, which I'm not angry about. It's a green day, but at the same time I broke a lot of rules. Yeah. What I will say is I broke a lot of rules. My maximum trades really is 2 trades. I took 3, but I thought, you know what, like, I think this final trade was to prove to myself that I do know how to trade. It was just I'm being an idiot. I'm rushing into it, trying to take a trade at New York Open, just being an idiot. 9:45 is when price calms down, all the manipulations happened, and we can clearly see on price action where price wants to go. That's what I should have done. 9:45. If it's 9:42, 9:43 is not big of a deal, but primarily 9:45 or later. Wait till that, and go back to it. And yeah, so 9:45 we get that, but as we see on the 5 minute, 9:45 bang on, we hit that fair value gap. Well, 9:47, nice. And after that, get that market structure shift, nice. Then I could have entered at that breaker block, which I didn't. I was too impatient. but that's fine. But we still got the win, still green on the day, so that's how I need to look at it in a positive aspect. When it comes to looking at these losses, the only loss I could say which is probably valid is the first one. These two losses are so stupid, I shouldn't have taken them. But yeah, tomorrow I'm not trading because it's a US bank holiday. Friday, it's one of them. It's where it's quite hard to tell whether I should or not, just due to it being a Friday and it's a day after the bank holiday. But if I do find something decent Friday, then I'll take it. But aside from that, if I see price action as being really dodgy, then I'm not going to take it. So today could have possibly been the last trading day of the week. But yeah, we'll just see. Yeah, so I won't be doing a journal tomorrow. I'll just be studying. But after that, on Friday, I probably will be. So yeah, I'll be back for that then.